This is how to add picture to somebody's contact on your Android phone so that once the person calls you, the picture will show up. Okay. First is to swipe up to access the apps that are existing on the Android, and then gets to contacts. Okay. Contacts is one of the apps that comes pre-installed on every Android phone. All right. So let's look at mine here. So I'll tap on contacts. Right, so you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, showing you all the contacts you have on your iPhone, all right? Sorry, on your Android. So tap on the contact that you want to add photo on. So I'll tap on this Adobe RC. All right, the phone number is not written in full for security reason, okay? So the next step you need to take is to tap on that pen-like icon at the up, okay, top right side. Then once you tap on there, once you tap there, you will see some details about the contact, including your email address that is linked to that, contact, okay, where the contact is saved in your email, all right, in your Gmail. So tap on the picture icon. Then you are provided with two options here, take photo and choose photo. In this case, I have the photo already saved on my Android smartphone, so I will go with the option of choose photo. On selecting choose photo, you are given some options on where you want to swap the picture from, okay? So I have two galleries here. I think I stored one on my own, so I will tap on one of them. All right, so then on selecting gallery, tap on always. The next step is to select a folder that contains the picture you want to use. Then this shows some pictures I have here on this iPhone. So I'll pick one person. And now in this case, it's a woman, so it's a lady. So let me go with one of the ladies' picture. Now you can move this for you to capture the face you want to have on the contact. Then after that, click on save. So once you position the square properly to how you want it to appear once she calls or he calls, all right, tap on save. Tap on the save icon at the upper right, at the top right.